How do you make your bed? First, you have your toothbrush. Put it under the sink. Rinse. And then go like that. Then you take your toothpaste, put it on your toothbrush, stick it in your mouth.
This is how you make your bed? Okay. What? Do you want to watch yourself? What? The floor is all wet. Oh no, can't see. Oh look. Look, you can see what we're filming. That's weird. That's so cool. Just zoom. Zoom. That's my toothbrush.
You said it like so sadly. That's my toothbrush.
It got abandoned.
Can you rinse your toothbrush? Go like that again.
It's really clear.
Good. Has to be.
And spit.
And you're done!
Woo!
Yeah!
If you're using your toothbrush, what is it called?
Your brushing skills?
Never mind. Your brushing skills.
Your brushing skills. How's that?